Do you guys want to know what my first three products I first started selling on Amazon? Well, in this video, I'm going to go over the three products, what I learned from the experience, and we're going to see if I was profitable or if I lost money. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this video I want to be 100% transparent with you and give you guys my honest results of the first three products that I ever sold on Amazon, okay? So the first product that I sold, as you guys can see right here, is the seat belt gap fillers. So if you guys aren't familiar with this, it's very similar to the drop stop. It had a different design to it. It was a different material. But it had the same function. I ordered 100 units. My total cost was $377. So the product plus shipping was $3.77 per unit, and the Amazon fees $4.91. So if you add those up together, my total cost to sell the product was $7.68. So I was selling the product for $14.99. So that left me with a 42% profit margin, which was about $6.31 each unit I sold. My PPC campaigns were very low because there wasn't much competition, and I'm going to explain why. And I sold about 90 units in 1 week for a total profit of $568. So one thing with this product is my biggest takeaway, as you guys can see, is understanding patents. This product has a patent on it, and I was unaware, and it was my first product. I was kind of oblivious, and I was totally new to the Amazon game. So I started selling it. I sold 90 units in 1 week, and I got shut down immediately. So I got stuck with 10 units, which could have been a lot worse. If I would have ordered 300 or 500 units, I would have lost a lot more money. But luckily, I was able to profit some, and then I had to throw away the other 10 units, which wasn't the end of the world, but I thought I hit gold because I was literally selling so many units for the first week, and I was like, oh, Amazon is so easy. I can do this, no questions asked. And so that's my biggest takeaway is, please, when you start selling on Amazon, or if you're looking for other products to sell, please make sure that you're not infringing on a patent and understand that whole process so that you don't have my same problem. And I know a lot of people that have done this, that have lost money, and luckily I did not lose money on this particular product. So that is product number one. My second product is a car phone mount. So for those that are experienced or know anything about this product, it's a very high competition product and it's in high demand. So I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm going to kind of show you guys my biggest takeaways from it. So I ordered 200 units. My total cost was $450, which isn't that much. I mean, I made $568, so I used that money and put it towards my car phone mount. So my total cost was $450, and each unit plus shipping was $2.50. And then you add the Amazon fees, the total cost was $7.14. So that left me with a profit margin of 35%. So each unit I sold, I made about $3.85. So right here is where it kind of gets ugly. I sold 12 units, and the PPC campaign, literally in 1 week, I spent $125 and I sold 12 units. So as you guys can see, I lost $530 because my total cost plus the PPC, and I only sold 12 units, and making only $4 each unit I sell does not cover my PPC campaign cost. So my biggest takeaway from this product is, obviously, it's a very competitive product. I didn't understand product research. I didn't have the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. And I thought that since car phone mounts were trending and everyone has them, I thought I could easily sell them and sell 200 units at a decent price. But little did I know, trying to rank for that product, so PPC campaigns are very expensive. I had to spend like $2, $3 for one click to even be on the second page. So if I wanted to be on the first page, I would have to pay $4 alone for one single click, and that's not guaranteed that they're going to buy the product. And if my profit's only $3.85, I'm spending more money on PPC campaigns than what I'm actually profiting. So that is something very important that you guys need to understand and take into account, is understanding product research And that kind of goes along with the PPC campaigns, because if it's a competitive product, the PPC campaigns, or the pay per click, is going to be super high. And if your acquisition cost is not low, you're going to be losing money literally every time someone clicks on your product. So that's kind of a big mistake that I made, and that was my second product. So obviously my first two products weren't the best, and my total loss was 530. So I guess we'll see my third product. So my third product was a fidget pen. I ordered 100 units, and the total cost was $263. So the product plus shipping was $2.63. My Amazon fees $3.81. So the total cost for me to sell the product was $6.44. I was selling each pen for $11.99. And that left me with a 46% profit margin, which is really good. So each unit I was selling, I was making $5.55, plus I was paying back the $2.63. So this is my net profit, okay, what I get to take home. The PPC campaigns over the span of how long I was selling was only $50. It wasn't a very high competition product. It was in demand, so that's what you're looking for. And I sold all 100 units and a total profit of $505. So the biggest takeaway from this product is understanding gated categories and restricted products. So I got lucky. I was able to sell all my 100 units within the first month, but it's under a gated category and it's a restricted product. Fidget pens are a restricted product. You have to get special approval. And I was thinking that since it was a pen, it was different, but Amazon said differently. And so luckily they let me sell my 100 units, and now I can't sell them anymore. So I was kind of bummed because they were selling really well and I was making good money from it, but I didn't understand gated categories and restricted products, so I basically got shut down. And luckily I was able to make money and not lose anything on this order. So that is my biggest takeaway from my third product, is you guys need to understand gated categories and restricted products. So that is something huge, and I hope you guys can take that into account when you start selling. Is you need to make sure that they don't have patents on it. You need to understand product research, or else your PPC campaigns are going to be super high and it's going to be difficult to sell those products. And then my third product is I tried to sell a restricted product in a gated category. So my first three products, I'm going to be honest, I sucked. I had no idea what I was doing. I thought it was going to be a lot easier, and I just started selling random products, and that's completely my fault. I did not research. I just thought that I could buy any product because I've bought product on Alibaba before, and I didn't understand the whole process of researching, understanding the different categories that I could and couldn't sell in, understanding PPC campaigns. I was just new to the Amazon game, and so I was a rookie. And luckily, it didn't turn out terribly for me, and we're going to break down my numbers. So the first product was a total profit of $568. My second product, car phone mount, I lost $530, but then my third product was $505. So 38, so we do $568, subtract $530, $38 plus the $505, and that is a $543 profit of my first three products. So overall, I'm not mad or pissed off about my first three products. Yes, I could have done a lot of different things, but I learned from my mistakes, and because of these three products, I understand three really important principles for selling on Amazon. And if it wasn't for these three products, I wouldn't have learned these simple mistakes. I wouldn't have learned from these simple mistakes, okay? So that's why I'm thankful and grateful for this opportunity, that I was able to learn from my mistakes and I didn't have to lose any money doing it. So it's not always like this. I kind of got lucky, and that's why I recommend to really learn and watch as many videos as you can. Take a course, get a mentor, get someone that's going to coach you so that if you have a product idea, you can ask them and they'll give you their honest opinion and whether or not it's a good product, and they would know whether it has a patent on it, whether it's super competitive, or whether it's in a gated category or it's a restricted product. So that's why I recommend to really learn and understand Amazon FBA before jumping into it, because if you do that, you guys, it's impossible to fail. I mean, I had no clue what I was doing and I still made money. I did not lose any money. So it just goes to show that if you do things right, you're going to make a lot more money than what I did. I mean, obviously I lost money and I couldn't even sell any more units because of restricted products and a product that had a patent on it. So if I would have done things correctly, I would still be selling the first 3 products, but I didn't get a mentor and I didn't understand everything. So after that, yes, I went in and I studied and I researched, got a mentor, and I really took this seriously. And since then, it's been a huge change, and Amazon has been a lot easier than it was my first month. So please learn from my mistakes. Learn as much as you can. Don't make these same stupid mistakes that I did, and jump on board and learn everything that you guys need to know so that you guys can be successful Amazon sellers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the first 3 products that I ever sold. I just wanted to be 100% transparent with you, give you guys my numbers, and I'm not the one that made $10,000 my first month. I'm not going to say that, but this is my honest result. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment. If you have any questions, I would love to help. And like I said, if you guys have questions about products you want to sell, send me an email or leave a comment below. Reach out to me on Instagram, and I am more than happy to help you guys, because I don't want you to make the same mistakes that I did. And now that I know better, I can help you. And that is the whole reason I created this channel, is so that you guys don't lose money like I did. I guess I didn't lose a ton of money, but I just want you guys to make it as easy as possible for you. So thanks for watching this video, and again, leave a comment, subscribe, like it, and we will see you in the next video.